Hello friends, today we are going to learn about EdTech, which is another video editing tool which can be used integrated with Google Classroom for teaching. For a start, we go to Google and search for edted.com. So you can see the results. You can go for the website ted_ed. So use your Google Classroom email ID so that you can integrate the lessons that you create there. You have a lot of options here which you can discover later. So to create a video lesson, go for create a new lesson. You can go for videos that you have already. Here I have selected a video which is about polarization. So I am copying the video URL and pasting it here. Search. So this is my video which I am going to now use it in my classroom. Use this video, continue. This is the page that will be displayed for creating new. There are a lot of options here like let's begin. So in the let's begin, give some information about what you are going to do in your lesson. So I have done it earlier, so I will show it. So you can see here, this is my introduction. So this is what I have typed it here, polarization of light. So you can save it. It's already saved. So you can go for think option where there are two options, a multiple choice question and the open answer question. In multiple choice question you can go for your own set of questions, and or you can go for open type answers. This is possible here. In dig deeper, you can have some information. For example, you can go for polarization information which you have already, like what is polarization information. If you want to add some material here, you can directly take it from your notes and put it here, and you can give it to students which they can take it as a study material. So this is deeper. So in the discussion forum I have already created something. The discussion forum, it is there any relation between polarization transmission of waves, so that students can submit their assignments here. So you can save it. Then you have and I have given another discussion also. If you want, you can add another. And the finally option is for adding the final comments of your notes, what you want to say and all those informations, right? So you can save that also here. Since I have saved, I am just. So this is about how to begin it. For example, this think option, I can go for a multiple choice question. This is a quiz, circular polarizations, because of the correct answer is actually B. So you can highlight the answer here so that student will get it after they evaluate. And then you can also give a clue for the question. So this particular information is available at exactly at about 50th second, sorry. So you can give it as 50 seconds. Okay, it is actually available at 54 somewhere. So you can give at which point so that it will be a clue for the students. You can save the option. So this is one of the type of quiz, right? So they have a this will be displayed in the students view. We can't see here. So after doing it, you can also crop the video. So here actually the video is for 4 minutes, but the polarization information is coming only up to 1.32 seconds. So I can change it here to 1.30, so that the other information is not required for the students, right? So the students will not see the rest of the videos. It is enough that he sees only the limited portion of the video, so that he learns that concept properly. So this is how we can have an interactive session on then you can go for publish. As before, so it requires student to use TEDx ID accounts. If you insist them to have a TED ID accounts, you can go for it, or you can go for don't require TEDx. They can use a name while then you can share your lesson. So sharing lesson is through just by the link here, right? Copy to clipboard. I have copied the TEDx link. Then I can even send through email, or I can go for my classroom and add my. I am into my classroom. Here you can go for classwork, then create. It might be an assignment or a material or whatever you want. You can take it as a video assignment. So go for new assignment. So it is on polarization. Polarization of waves. Instruction, give the instruction, and you can add the link here. Add link. So I have copied the link from the clipboard. I am adding it here. Add link. So you can see the video has come here, right? Then you can assign it to the students if you want. Okay. Here this is a sample. I am not assigning here. You can assign it, and you can set the due dates as well. So the student, on clicking this, they will view it like this. So this is how a student views. So you can see here the video is available here, right? So the video is only up to this point. If they want, they can watch the entire video, but the faculty has insisted to view only up to this point. So they have their think options here. So see, my question is displayed here, so they can do it at the end. So if they want to learn something, they can have the material here in the video, and you have the discussion forum also. See, my questions are posted here, so they can have a discussion among themselves, and peer learning factor is there. And finally is what you want to conclude about a video. This is how this is the most interactive way of learning from the student. While teaching a topic, you can integrate this kind of information. Thanks for watching.